All right, we're going to look at one proof. Usually when students hear the word proof, they are like, they don't really want to like them. But we have to find a way to have a good relationship with proofs and realize what they are. So let's start with a few definitions. A theorem is a statement that is shown to be true using a logically developed argument. And to show a theorem is true, we will use what we call a proof. Little do you know that you've already done this. So let's go ahead and look at number 1. Write the missing reasons. Prove for all numbers a and b, if a plus b equals 0, then b equals negative a. This first thing that you guys see, a plus b equals 0, that's up here. This is given. Those are usually pretty easy. And I do have a mistype right here. This should have a 0. What property is this? A plus negative a. What property is that? If I have a plus negative a, that is the property of opposites. All right, the next property, this is actually the transitive property. We're not going to work a ton with transitive, and if I have it for you, I usually fill it in. So let's not worry about transitive property for now, and let's keep looking. All right, from 3 to 4, it looks like what happened is it looks like I reassociated. So notice my brackets went from here to here and from here to here. So that is the associative property. And anytime I add opposites to get 0, does anyone know what that is called? When I add opposites to get 0, yep, that's the property of opposites. And anything plus 0 is itself, and that should be the identity property of addition. Good job.